Everyone, today we will be having the topic eliminating ambiguity. Okay, what do you mean by ambiguous grammar? A string, if it is having two or more parse tree, that is two leftmost derivation or two rightmost derivation, then the above string, okay, has two different parse tree, then the grammar is said to be ambiguous. Correct. So similarly, we have one example here. Most common example we have is dangling else grammar. Okay, dangling else grammar says the statement if expression then statement, if expression then statement, else statement or other. Okay, here you will get to know the meaning of other. Okay, the example you see here, if expression 1, if expression 2, if we don't have this one, okay, this braces, then what happens? If expression 1, if expression 2, statement 1, else statement. This else is for this if or this if, it is misleading us. Okay, so in order to avoid, we have to have these braces, flower braces. Got it? So then this grammar will be correct. Correct. Similarly, we have one string. If expression 1, then if expression 2, then statement 1 else statement 2. So same thing I have considered. So by using this grammar, if we draw parse tree, okay, this is one parse tree, this is another parse tree. Two different parse tree exist for this string. Correct. Therefore, the above string has two parse trees. It is said to be ambiguous grammar. Which parse tree is preferable out of these two? Okay, which is regarded with this braces. Okay, this first parse tree, because the rule, the general rule is match each else with the closest unmatched then. Okay, match each else with the closest unmatched then. Okay, this will match with this one. Okay, this parse tree is preferable, most preferable than this one, because this else cannot be matched with this then also or this. Understood? So this is the general rule we have to follow. Then we can rewrite this dangling else grammar as the following unambiguous grammar. Let us see the unambiguous grammar for the above considered grammar, dangling else problem. Okay, what is the idea behind here? A statement appearing between a then and an else must be matched. That is, the interior statement must not end with an unmatched or open then, like this. See here. See here. This is the interior statement. Is not having the matched pattern. Okay, that is, it is open then we have. This should not be the case. Okay, the idea is a statement appearing between the then and an else must be matched. Okay, see here, the statement appearing between then and an else, that is this one, must be matched. Okay, so we'll come to know what do you mean by match statement. That is, the interior statement must not end with an unmatched or open then. Got it? So this is the unambiguous grammar we'll be having. See, statement, matched statement. We'll define match statement also, or open statement. This is first. Match statement is defined as if expression, then match statement, else matched statement or other. So in this case, what we'll be doing? So if we take matched statement, again we can replace with this particular production. Okay, match statement in the sense it will be having then and else in the same statement. Okay, open statement is defined as if expression then statement, or if expression then matched statement else open statement. So this is the unambiguous grammar. If you try to construct the grammar for this particular grammar, okay, it is no more unambiguous. Why? Because any statement you can take. See, in this production match statement we have our open statement. Okay, we are defining these two here. In match statement we are taking if expression then match statement. Match statement again we will get if and then here. Okay, then else match statement. Again this interior statement will be having if and else both then. Okay, so this will not mislead us. When coming to open statement, if expression then statement we are considering. Okay, if expression then statement we have if and then, or in this production also if expression then match statement. See, interior statement is what? Match statement. Again match statement means what? If and then will be present in the same statement. This interior will be having if and then. Else open statement. This is no problem because this is match statement. Else open statement in the sense it may be if expression then statement also here. So this will not mislead us as the above considered grammar. Understood? Thank you.